Welcome to the wonderful world of farming. So you're thinking about raising animals? That's great. Having farm animals is a big responsibility, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Whether you're dreaming of fresh eggs every morning or picturing a herd of cows grazing peacefully on your land, taking care of your animals is the most important thing. Remember, happy animals mean a happy farm. They depend on you for everything: food, shelter, and health. In return, they provide you with delicious food and so much more. Think fresh milk, creamy cheese, and juicy meat. But it's not just about the food. Animals enrich our lives in countless ways. Picture fluffy chicks running around, playful goats frolicking in the pasture, and the gentle moo of a content cow. These are the joys of farming. So are you ready to learn the basics of caring for farm animals? Let's dive in. Chickens are a great place to start for any new farmer. They're relatively easy to care for and provide endless entertainment. But don't let their small size fool you. These feathered friends need a balanced diet and a clean, safe place to live. First things first, food. Chickens are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. A good quality feed specifically formulated for chickens is essential. This feed should contain all the necessary nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. But don't stop there. Chickens love treats just like we do. Offer them kitchen scraps like veggie peels, leftover rice, or even the occasional worm. Just make sure it's safe for chickens to eat. Now let's talk about housing. Chickens need a coop, a safe and secure place to sleep, lay eggs, and escape the elements. The coop should be well ventilated to prevent ammonia buildup from their droppings. Fresh water is a must, and a nesting box for each hen encourages egg laying. Remember, a happy chicken is a productive chicken. Let your chickens roam free in a fenced-in area whenever possible. This allows them to forage for insects, peck at plants, and get some exercise. Trust me, those fresh eggs will taste even better knowing your chickens are living the good life. Keeping your chickens healthy is crucial. Regularly check for signs of illness like lethargy, loss of appetite, or changes in droppings. Early detection is key to preventing the spread of disease. And don't forget to vaccinate your flock against common poultry diseases as recommended by your veterinarian. Raising chickens is a rewarding experience. With proper care and attention, you'll be enjoying fresh, delicious eggs in no time. Next up, let's talk about goats. These intelligent and curious creatures can bring so much joy and milk to your farm. Just like chickens, goats require a specific diet and environment to thrive. Goats are browsers, not grazers like cows. This means they prefer to eat leaves, twigs, and shrubs rather than just grass. A diet of high-quality hay, fresh water, and a mineral block specifically formulated for goats is essential for their health. Goats are also notorious escape artists, so a sturdy fence is a must. They need a dry, well-ventilated shelter to protect them from the elements. Goats are social animals and thrive in herds, so it's best to have at least 2 goats to keep each other company. Section 5. Leaping for joy, meeting your goat's needs. Goats are naturally playful and energetic animals. Providing them with enrichment opportunities is crucial for their well-being. This can include climbing structures, scratching posts, and even toys. A bored goat can quickly become a destructive goat, so keep them entertained. Regular health checks are also important for goats. Vaccinations, deworming, and hoof trimming are all essential aspects of goat care. Familiarize yourself with common goat ailments and consult with a veterinarian if you notice any signs of illness. Raising goats can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Their playful antics and unique personalities will bring a smile to your face every day. Plus, you'll have access to fresh, creamy goat milk, perfect for drinking, cheese making, and more. Section 6. Move Ellis Advice, Caring for Cows. Now let's talk about the gentle giants of the farm cows. Cows are ruminants, which means they have a 4-compartment stomach designed to digest tough plant matter. Their diet consists mainly of grass or hay, depending on the season. Providing your cows with access to high-quality pasture is crucial for their health and milk production. Pasture should be free of poisonous plants and properly managed to prevent overgrazing. Cows also need access to fresh, clean water at all times. Housing for cows should be well ventilated, dry, and spacious enough for them to move around comfortably. Regular cleaning of stalls is essential to prevent the buildup of manure and ammonia, which can be harmful to their health. Section 7, Grazing to Glory, the importance of pasture. Pasture management is a crucial aspect of caring for cows. Rotational grazing, where cows are moved to different sections of pasture regularly, helps prevent overgrazing and promotes healthy grass growth. This also helps control parasites, as their life cycle is disrupted when cows are moved to fresh pasture. Cows benefit from regular vet checkups, vaccinations, and deworming. Hoof care is also essential, as overgrown hooves can cause lameness and discomfort. Familiarize yourself with common cow ailments and consult with a veterinarian if you notice any signs of illness or injury. Raising cows requires a significant commitment of time, resources, and land. However, the rewards of fresh milk, creamy butter, and the satisfaction of caring for these gentle giants make it all worthwhile. Section 8, Beyond the Basics, Pigs and Rabbits. While chickens, goats, and cows are some of the most popular farm animals, there's a whole world of other animals waiting to be discovered. Pigs and rabbits, for example, offer unique challenges and rewards for the aspiring farmer. Pigs are intelligent and curious animals, often surprising their owners with their problem-solving abilities. They're also incredibly social animals, thriving in groups and forming strong bonds with their human caretakers. However, their inquisitive nature and love of rooting can make them escape artists, so secure fencing is a must. Rabbits, on the other hand, are known for their gentle nature and adorable appearance. These furry friends can make wonderful companions and are relatively easy to care for, making them a popular choice for first-time farmers. However, their delicate digestive systems require a specific diet and careful monitoring to prevent health issues. Section 9, Pigging Out on Information, Caring for Swine. Pigs are omnivores, just like chickens, and require a balanced diet to thrive. A commercially prepared pig feed, supplemented with fresh fruits, vegetables, and the occasional treat, will keep your pigs happy and healthy. Access to fresh, clean water is essential, and providing a wallow, a mud pit where pigs can cool off and socialize, is crucial for their well-being. Housing for pigs should be dry, well-ventilated, and spacious enough for them to move around freely. Straw bedding provides insulation and comfort, and regular cleaning is essential to prevent the buildup of waste and ammonia. Pigs are intelligent animals and benefit from enrichment opportunities such as toys, puzzles, and even training. Section 10. Hopping into Health Rabbit Care Essentials. Rabbits, with their fluffy tails and twitching noses, require a specific diet to maintain their delicate digestive systems. A diet consisting primarily of hay, fresh vegetables, and a small amount of rabbit pellets is crucial for their health. Avoid feeding rabbits sugary treats or foods high in carbohydrates, as these can disrupt their gut flora and lead to health problems. Housing for rabbits should be spacious enough for them to hop, jump, and stretch their legs. A wire cage with a solid bottom is a popular choice, but providing a larger enclosure or allowing supervised playtime in a rabbit-proofed area is ideal for their physical and mental well-being. Rabbits are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk, so providing a quiet, shaded area for them to rest during the day is important. Section 11, Reaping the Rewards, the Importance of Animal Care. From the cheerful clucking of chickens to the gentle moo of cows, farm animals bring joy, companionship, and a sense of purpose to our lives. But their well-being depends entirely on us, their human caretakers. Remember, providing proper nutrition, clean and comfortable housing, and regular health checks is essential for the well-being of your animals. By prioritizing their needs, you're not only ensuring their happiness and longevity, but also reaping the rewards of a thriving and productive farm. So embrace the challenges and joys of farm life, and remember, a little love and care go a long way in the world of farming.